Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to export your document as a PDF file on the Invoice2go application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone, then select document from the invoices or estimates section, tap on the relevant one, and after that scroll down till you find the more section, and in it you can find the export as PDF function, which is the third one. Here you can select these options, and after that you are going to be able to see your document, and if you tap on this share button in the upper right corner of the screen, you will be able to forward it as a PDF file via AirDrop, Messages, Messenger, Slack, Gmail, and other social networking sites as well. So tap on the relevant one, and here you can find that it appears as a PDF file. So all you have to do is searching for a contact from your list, and then you will be able to forward it. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.